This application requires one full strip of KT tape and one half strip. Begin preparing a strip of KT tape by creating a 2-inch anchor on one end. You will place this directly on the back of your hand. Next, hold your hand with palm down and wrist flexed forward. Pull the backing away from the tape to leave a 2-inch anchor at the other end. Apply a light stretch on the tape with one hand while adhering it along your forearm with the other, finishing before the elbow joint. Apply the opposite anchor without any stretch and finish with a gentle rub over the strip to improve adhesion. Next, prepare your half strip by creating a 2-inch anchor and placing it under the thumb joint on the side of your wrist. In the same position, apply the middle of the half strip with moderate stretch across the back of your wrist, ending on the other side of your wrist. Apply the opposite anchor without any stretch and finish with a gentle rub over the strip to improve adhesion. Find all our products and videos at kttape.com.